That's a 55-gallon drum floated out of Alex's yard. Right there is where a lot of the water comes in from the farm field. That's a fire pit ring. You can see how deep it is. My neighbor's fire pit ring. That's like 4 courses of brick sitting on top of a 4-inch exposed ag pad. So that water's about 2 feet deep right there. Right in this area, there's a 16-inch culvert pipe that's completely overrun. There's probably 4 or 5 inches of dirt on top of it, and probably 8 or 9 inches of water on top of that. This is the back of my building. As you can see, the water's about 15 feet away from the building, although the entire foundation is soaked. This is chemicals floating in from the neighbor's yard 2 houses down, where all those vehicles and barrels and containers, car parts, my neighbor's barn. As you can see, the water's inside. It's all the way up inside. See all the car parts, tires, axles, front ends, lawnmowers, crap everywhere. This is where the other half of the water comes from. Comes from the road. Comes in right up there, the edge of my driveway, washes out, fills up the ditch, and then floods all the way back here. It does that because it doesn't have anywhere to go, because the culverts are not dug properly in each direction from my house. So although I'm the highest point on the road, my ditch is the lowest. My barn is 64 feet deep. It's about 40 feet off the back of the property line, maybe more. And as you can see, the water is probably another 40 feet or better past. So it's near 150 feet across the water. This is a frequent occurrence. Anytime we get any kind of large rainfall, I get this.